Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Roxy from the Winx Club on Dress to Impress. Super simple, you do need VIP for this one. Let's just get started with the video. For the hair, I just used this hair in this color here. And then on this hair, I used the bangs only toggle. Position the X at 0.4, Z 0.6, and scaled it to 0.55. Colored it this yellow, FFBE41. And then for the outfit itself here, I used, hold on, let me kind of zoom in just in case I missed anything. Oh, I might have missed something, but select this top here and the supports pattern, color it this green in glitter. Let me see if I can add okay, I'm not going to add that, never mind. And then I am going to be using these gloves here, and the third toggle in that same green color in glitter. And then for the shorts, I'm just going to use these in mini shorts in that color again in glitter. And then I am going to add in this in yellow, maybe this yellow. Let's use this yellow in silk, and then for the rest we're just going to use this purple. Toggle it to the second one, I guess. Then I am going to put on some wings here. First I'm going to grab these wings in the bigger toggle. Then I think I colored it the green here, and then yellow, I think, and then yellow again. Then I used these wings in bigger and I colored it all like this pink, I think, like that. And then for the shoes, I'm going to use these shoes here in these color. I think I did green. Wait, I think I did pink. Sorry, I did like this pink, and then I did green, and then purple, and then that pink again. I'll do like the lighter pink actually. And then I think the look is complete. You can add more stuff to it. She does like have these I don't know, like straps here, which I'm not going to bother. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!